KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchgain N. Aim said that the present executive committee had to constitute the Delimitation Committee since they cannot ignore the representation from the various stakeholders. Aim said that they had to write to the governor to constitute the delimitation panel after receiving representation from the various villages, individuals, political leaders and other stakeholders. According to him, it is the duty of the council to process this matter since it came to them when they took over the executive committee.
Kalau kalian nama walang ladon haga yuru haji sisiang imba longin hori ban wanra aika demonstration. Tende bang yo ayaki presentation nagi babun ki snong ki sim ki politician ban kumjuru nagi wigi ki stakeholders. Dia habagi tho asingi kadika duty jungi pada ban proses kata kam. Dia nomor baka jing ai jing jungki kawan latest jungki berai ngiman seban di kopi kam.
The Federation of Khasi Jaintian Garo people